Hello, welcome. Let us have a class on chapter coordinate geometry today. Very interesting question based on graph. The question is, on graph paper, take 2 cm to represent 1 unit on both the axes, on x-axis and y-axis also. Take 2 cm equal to 1 unit. That means scale is already given to us. Okay. Axis, and draw the lines. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. And 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Equations of 3 lines are given to us. We have to draw the lines of, these all are linear equations. When we draw the graphs of these equations, we get 3 lines. Write down the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. As they are the equations of 3 lines, when we draw the graphs of those 3 lines, a triangle is formed with those lines and we have to find the vertices of the triangle. 3 vertices, coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. Okay? As per the given scale, I have already taken 2 cm equal to 1 unit. So you think this is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 2 cm is equal to, for your understanding, I am showing that. Take 2 cm equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Okay. So I have written x dash OX, y dash OY as x-axis and y-axis. Now we have to draw the graphs of these 3 lines. X plus 3 is equal to 0. What does it mean? X plus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 3. You know that? X is equal to minus 3 means x is equal to minus 3. See, we have to be minus, that means the line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 3 units from the left of y-axis. So x is 1 minus 3 means that line, the points on the line will have x coordinate minus 3 and y, any value of y coordinate may be 0 or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever may be the y coordinate, always the x coordinate is minus 3. That means x equal to 0 means y-axis, x is equal to minus 3 means a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 3 units, minus 3 units or 3 units to the left of y-axis. So this is the equation as x is equal to minus 3. The equation of this line is x is equal to minus 3. Okay? See, any point you see here, this point, this is minus 3, 1. Take this, minus 3, 3. Take this, minus 3, 4. So every point on this line, x coordinate will be minus 3. Other one is y minus 2 is 0. That means y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 means the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2 means a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 2 units from y-axis. 2 is a plus 2 is a. So let me draw a line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 2 units from x-axis. So the equation of this line is y is equal to 2. Any point on this line you take, suppose this point, the coordinates of this point is 4, 2. This point, 1, 2. Here this point, minus 1, 2. That means every point on this line, y coordinate is 2. So the equation of this line is y is equal to 2. That means y equal to 0 means x-axis, x is equal to 0 means y-axis. X is equal to minus 3 means a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 3 units from y-axis. Okay? Y equal to 2 means a line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 2 units from x-axis. So these are the 2 lines already I have drawn. Third line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Here we have to take the values of x and y. Either x in terms of y or y in terms of x we have to convert. We have to frame a table, we have to find the coordinates of the values of x and y we have to take and plot the points. So that implies, let me do 2x is equal to 3y. Let me take y in terms of x will take. Okay then. We can take 2x is equal to 3y, 12 minus 3y. Okay? 12 minus 3y. 12 minus 3y. Okay? Now, let me make a table. Just let us think, if y is equal to 2, what happens? If y is equal to 2, 2x equal to 12 minus 3y, x is equal to, we have to find, 2x is equal to 12 minus 3y, or x is equal to 12 minus 3y, means 12 by 2 minus 3y by 2. That means x is equal to 6 minus 3y by 2. Now let me make a table, no space, I am making a table here. Okay. So now let me take y as 0. If y is 0, we'll get 3 into 0, 0 by 2 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. And let me take y is equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, 2 will be cancelled. 6 minus 3 will be 3. And if y is equal to 4, we'll get 2 2s are 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. If y is equal to 4, we'll get x equal to 0. So now we have to plot these. So we got the values of x and y, 3 place minimum we have to take. Now these points, let us plot them. So x is 6, y 0. Clear? I hope I have done correctly. If y equal to 0, x is 6. If y equal to 2, x is 3. If y equal to 4, x is 0. Now 6 is 0. That means the point lies on x-axis. I am plotting a point and making it round. 3, 2. 3, 2. Okay. Then 0, 4. 0, 4. So I have plotted these 3 points. Now let me join these points. Let me join these points. So this is a graph of that equation. Exactly I cannot do, you know that, I will not tell you. Okay, so when I have joined and produced, I got the line like this. So the equation of this line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, now the question is, so all these graphs we have drawn. Write down the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. What is the triangle? This is one line, this is another line, this is another line. That means this is the triangle formed by these 3 lines. Let me name these points as A, B, C. The coordinates of A are, we can see -3, 6. The coordinates of B are -3, 2. And the coordinates of C are 3, 2. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, 3, 2. So the question is, we have to find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So the coordinates of the vertices are, the required coordinates are, let me write here. Therefore, the three coordinates of the points are the coordinates of the vertices. Of the vertices of triangle are -3, 6, Other one is minus 3, 2 and 3, 2. So here no space I have written here. Well, you can write on the ruled paper or the space provided. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.